Saginaw Valley State University has a long history of producing outstanding business graduates. Today we embark on one of the most important construction projects in recent SVSU history, the construction of a new business school. This school will allow our faculty and staff to teach students in a very modern learning environment, stock trading rooms, big data rooms, group problem-solving spaces, all of the environments that help produce very high quality business graduates. The business community has requested on a number of occasions that we produce greater numbers of business graduates. They're very pleased with the quality of the graduates they've recruited from SVSU in the past, but they need more. That for their businesses to be successful in this region and for other business to be drawn into our region, there needs to be a pipeline of well-trained business graduates to populate their workforce. So that's our goal, is to increase the number of graduates that we have to satisfy the demands and the needs of these corporations. I'm asking for your support for this very important project for SVSU in this region. Thank you.